Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Students, as you all know that today we have our science session, and in the previous class we have discussed and learned 2.3. Now in today's class we are going to learn that how to measure area. Measuring area 2.4, and I want everyone to open the books and open book page number 36. Area is a measure of the extent of a surface. The SI unit of area is the square meter, m square. Other common units of area include square millimeter, square centimeter, and square kilometer. 1 square meter is the area of a square which measures 1 meter on every side. Do you know the area of your school or your country? What are the units that are used for these areas? Now, beta, when we are talking about measuring area, so what is the area? Area is a measure of the extent of a surface. Okay, whenever we have to measure the extent of a surface, so it is called an area. And you should keep this thing in mind that the SI unit of area is square meter. Okay, the SI unit of measuring area is square meter, and there are some other common units as well of measuring area, which is square meter. It means that square, square centimeter, and square kilometer, and 1 square meter as well. Okay, through which we can measure the area of any object, any thing, or any house or anything. Okay, now obviously whenever we are talking about the school or our country, so what we say that they have specific area, they have the area, they have the specific land, they have the specific width. Okay, and through which they used to calculate the area. Now the areas of regular surfaces can be calculated using formula. The formula for some common regular surfaces are shown in the figure below. Beta, now you should keep this thing in mind that whenever we have to measure the area, so the formula of measuring area is area equals to length multiplied by length. Okay. For example, if we are talking about the area of a square, beta, हर शेप की जो हर शेप के जो एरिया होंगे वो क्या उनके डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला होंगे. अब अगर हम स्क्वायर की बात करें, सो स्क्वायर है 4 same sides. So the area of square will be area equals to length multiplied by length. Now when we are talking about rectangle, so rectangle has 2 same sides and 2 different sides. So the area of rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. Okay, it will be it will be length multiplied by breadth. So we'll get to know the area of rectangle. If we are talking about parallelogram, so we should know that they have two sides, two different sides, and the two different sides. So area of parallelogram will be, we will first measure the breadth and then we'll measure the height of a parallelogram. So when we multiply breadth with the height, so we'll get to know the area of parallelogram. But if you are talking about trapezium, so the area of trapezium, to calculate the area of trapezium, we'll get to know by uh, so we can know through first of all we should take out the value of a and b. अब a की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा, जो छोटी साइड होती है उसको हम a की मेजर करेंगे उसकी साइड को, और जो बड़ी वैल्यू होती है उसके जो ऑपोजिट साइड होगा, जो छोटी के ऑपोजिट साइड बड़ी वाली होगी लेंथ, उसके हम बी कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, ठीक है। ये वैल्यूज असाइन कर दी हमने, ये ऐसे ही हमने अपने पास से लेटर असाइन कर दिए, ठीक है। तो बेटा ए को बी से प्लस करेंगे और उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे हाइट से, और ए बी को जो है पहले किससे ब्रैकेट में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1/2। सो बेसिकली द फॉर्मूला ऑफ trapezium to calculate the area of trapezium will be area equals to 1/2 multiply by a plus b multiply by height of trapezium. But if we want to calculate the area of triangle, so we should first of all know the breadth of triangle, okay. And after measuring the breadth of triangle, we should know the height of triangle. So area equals to 1/2 breadth multiplied by height. So we will get to know the area of triangle. But if we want to know the area of circle, so first of all, we should calculate the radius of a circle. It means that uh, the middle point of a circle, and when we measure it with the ending point, any side of the ending point, so the radius will be same of the circle in all the uh, space. So we'll calculate by area equals to पाई आर स्क्वायर। पाई की वैल्यू क्या होती है बेटा, 22/7 लिख लें या 3/3.14, ठीक है। पाई की वैल्यू होती है 3.14 या 22/7। उसको जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो भी रेडियस होगा उसके स्क्वायर से, तो हमें जो है क्या आ जाएगा बेटा, सर्कल का एरिया हमें फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा। आई होप पेज नंबर 36 इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल।